Me have ton call me chicken buck, rice buck, any type of buck. They right asshole. Come get it, man. Tastes good like your mother cook it.
Hello, why you not in school? What's wrong?
Oh, it's because I have evening shift. That's why I'm there. I wait for school to start. You know?
You really think me I gonna believe that? You forget say I was a kid like you once? Why you there out here? You can't tell me, you know?
I'm not lying. I'm just waiting for school to start. I live far, so it's easier for me to just stay here and wait.
You don't have to lie to me, you know. My name Annette. What is your name?
My name's Annie. I'm not lying. I'm telling the truth. I swear.
You know, when I was around your age, people used to always make fun of me at school.
Nobody's making fun of me at school, okay?
Though, don't mind me asking, but it's because of your face make you don't wanna go?
No, it's not because of my face.
Look here, Annie. When I was your age, people used to always make fun of me. All the time. Them call me cow, leopard, cheetah, all type of thing. But after a while, you have to just, I know it sound kind of harsh, but after a while, you have to just deal with certain things. Because let me tell you something, you're gonna find people who are gonna accept you for who you is. Trust me, and not everybody bad.
So if you accept it, people gonna make fun of me? That don't make no sense.
So what you gonna do? You gonna sit out and skip school? Or you gonna progress in your life if you not go to school, eh? You gonna make them win.
You don't understand. I wasn't born looking like this. I used to be one of the prettiest girls in my school. Now look for my face. I'm gonna go back to school looking like this. I can't take everybody and make fun of me. I just can't.
See what you say right there, sir? You wasn't you wasn't born with your face looking like that. Now imagine someone like me. I was born with this skin condition. You get to live your life without knowing people making fun of you because of the way you're born. Imagine how me feel. And yet I still deal with everything will come at me. Try to understand, Annie. Nobody not perfect. But you can't sit down and waste your time. Now go to school, now get your education. You're gonna make the people them where bully you win. Come on, Annie. Think about it.
Don't tell me overthink. You don't even know me.
You're right, me no know you, but guess what? Me live through it. Me go through worse than you, me know that for a fact. So you talk to your parents? You tell them how you feel about this whole thing?
My father don't understand not know me I go through. I can't even talk to him. He just keep on telling me to go to school, go to school. I'm not want to go to school.
How about this? How about you give me your father number? I'ma talk to him about some plans we can make. I know a great counselor you can talk to. Would you like that?
Counselor?
Yes. She really good. She really helped me out over the years.
Alright. I'll ask my father and I'll think about it.
If you need someone to talk to, you can always talk to me, alright? I will be here for you, even though you don't know me. But trust me, I understand everything what you go through. Of course, I want to see you. I'm just away and forget one babysitter for my daughter. Yeah? Yeah, man. I've been there already. Sure. Yeah, me understand. Yeah, where you want for something sexy? No problem. Alright. Me see it today, okay? Alright. Okay. You kill me now. Yeah. Alright. Listen here, no. Me I go up on the road today, no. So I can't watch her. Me ya chat on phone, boy. You gotta look bold, this and that. You better know, say. You gotta stay on with your picnic today, no. Cause you must think, say, me a free babysitter. Me soon come back. And about all your foolishness. Later. The other woman, you know, she promised him she'd watch the cookie. I know she gone about her business. She can't depend on nobody with for nothing. Just stay right here, alright? Me I go take one nap.
Yep, 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 yep. Nap.
The place here you talk about? After the place and I look abandoned. Look like somebody live here.
Like somebody capture it. You nobody looks at the last time I come here.
Alright, come on go back then. Come now and stay so. We can do it in the water, you know, if you want.
How about in the night?
Nighttime, alright man. Alright, so nice. So real nice. If you want to push you, we can push you in a sexy.
Alright, what kind of car you drive?
I'm telling worry about that baby. I push me, I can push it on this show you my strength.
So push the thing now, boy. You not answer my question, you know, what type of car you drive? I don't understand what some of them think, you know. I feel like I forget one new work. I'm tired.
Everybody who work at call center always complain about it. I've never worked there before though, someone know. Me one a day, can come check your work please. Eh? Hold on, so come. You know, see one of the prettiest girl I've ever seen in my life? Look by you.
Sorry. I don't talk to man that's my father's age.
Hmm. You not even know man age I talk about me your father age. Your father probably 80
Yeah, so you get vexed? You're old, but you act like you're young, don't it? That's your problem.
Walk on yourself. Leah, you alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. This old man look like him not remember which part in there, like him have Alzheimer's or something. He come on and cuss me not even know him.
Yo, watch how you step to me, you know. See me see the girl sit down here by herself, I come talk to her. Warm tea. Think you own over there, so? Yo, brother, warm tea, man. You come here look argument with people. Don't nobody else know you. I'm come out and right say, you know. Well, look, say, man, calm down, God. Pop me that thump in your face.
No, that was random. Alright, Richard, don't cry. Thank you, Debbie, for coming over. No problem, you know. I still can't believe you really name my nephew Sebastian. I name one after me and one after Rick. Richard and Sebastian. What's wrong with that? But all of the S name them for boy, you have to pick that one there. Me not like it. Anyways, push past Sean, they not come look for him, brother them. Sean isn't. He's still not talking to me after I got into a fight with his girlfriend. I still can't believe him there with that girl after everything she put you through. Plus, you know her from Shalka girl, and she still end up there with your man. Real sickening. Well, Rick, he's still vexed with me too, so I two people mad women no, I guess. I don't know what to do. I don't know if it's to Rick or to Sean, Debbie. No worry. Them a man, them will get over it. Them will stay like we will grudge longer. But anyways, you need to forget about everything with Sean and the little girl there. Pass it now, alright, Shireen? You have Rick now. Stop worrying about day and the past. The past is the past for a reason. It done and gone. Alright?
Yo, that's an address on my telephone here. Swear me I go up on the road tonight. Yo, why should I hear? Think you have somebody to be with her?
Mama is supposed to do it, but she have to go somewhere. You wanna go in the room?
Alright, forward, man. But make sure your man at the road later. Come on, Ian. You have to follow me on the road for you with something so important.
Oh, why is the girl there by herself? Me tell about the girl that active man. Oh, what kind of slackness is you doing at my house? No, how does it really come to? Before you did that room, I take care of your damn baby and your wedding man. When you gonna grow up, Octavia?
You just barge coming in, you not even knock on the door. You forget to pay money in your too, just like you.
But wait there, I smell yourself. Who the bumper clad you think you chat to look a girl? Come out of my house. Come out of my house.